Wildfire, we are moving up the road towards a town to the east. Confirm you have a visual on us.
Got eyes on friendlies. Crew, do not fire on any target marked by a strobe. Those are friendlies.
TV, confirm you see the church in the town.
We see it. Start the clock. Roger that. We're there. Start talking.
You are not authorized to level the church. Do not fire directly on the church.
Got a vehicle moving now. One of the vehicles is moving right now. Personnel coming out of the church. We have armed personnel approaching from the church. Request permission to engage.
Copy. You are cleared to engage the moving vehicle and any personnel around you see.
Affirmative. Crew, you are cleared to engage, but do not fire on the church. Kaboom. You got him. Hot damn! Direct hit. Light him up. There's a guy by that car. More enemy personnel.
Copy. Smoke them.
Personnel right there.
Cleared to engage all of those.
Enemy personnel on the road. You got him.
Recalibrate out on the sweep angle, adjust elevation scan.
Get that person. Guy running. Whoa! Gun ready! Nail those guys. Alright, you got the guy. That might have been within 2 feet of him.
Set scan range.
We got a moving vehicle here. There's armed personnel running out of the church. Right there, tracking. Shit, must have been a full tank of gas.
Wildfire, this is Bravo 6. Be advised, we're passing a large church and continuing towards the main highway. Keep up the fire. Bravo 6 out.
Roger that. Engage anything without a flashing strobe light. Those are all hostiles.
Kaboom. That's a hit. Get that guy. We got a vehicle on the move. Check your fire. You're shooting at friendlies. Watch for the blinking strobes. Those are our guys. Enemy personnel on the road.
Clean up that signal. Target reset.
Roger, guy moving. Right there, tracking. Direct secondary. Yep, that was right on target. Tracking. Yeah, direct hit's right there. Hot damn! Enemy personnel on the road. Okay, he's moving again.
Target reset.
Light him up. There's a guy by that car. Whoa!
Copy. Smoke him.
Gun ready!
Rolling in.
Okay, you got him. Get back on the other guys.
Clean up that signal.
We got a moving vehicle here. Negative, negative. Do not engage. I repeat, do not engage any vehicles on the main highway.
Wildfire, we're going to commandeer civilian transports on the main highway. Cover us.
Crew, do not engage any vehicles traveling on the highway. Those are civilians. Ground units are requiring alternate transport at this time. Do not engage any vehicles on the highway unless cleared to do so.
Bet that guy's pissed. That's a nice truck.
Nah, he's scared shitless.
Wildfire, we're marking the vehicles. Confirm you see the beacons.
Roger, we see the beacons. Crew, do not fire on the vehicles marked with the flashing beacons. I repeat, do not fire on the vehicles with the flashing beacons. Those are friendlies.
Heads up. Hostile forces are setting up ambush points along the curved road.
Navigation, which one's the curved road? Over.
Fire control. Do you see the water tower? Over.
TV, confirm you see the water tower.
You talking about the water tower near the intersection? Roger. That's the one. And next to that water tower is a curved road. Do you see that?
Roger that.
Track that road into the next village. You should be able to see another water tower in the village further down that road.
We're having a bit of trouble acquiring the village. How far up the road is it?
Approximately, hang on. It's about 2 clicks along the curved road going away from the highway. Yeah, roger that. We're banking towards the village. Stand by to engage ground targets.
We got hostiles setting up along the curved road. Hostiles preparing to ambush along the curved road. They're partially concealed by the trees.
Whoa! Someone just fired an RPG!
Roger that. Crew, go ahead and take out everything in that village. Armored vehicle right there coming out of the barn.
Targets in the village are confirmed as hostile. Cleared to engage. Smoke them.
Wildfire, we're under attack. We could use some help here.
Crew, track those smoke trails and take them out at the source. Clear a path for our guys.
Personnel on the roof of that U-shaped building.
U-shaped building?
Roger. The one with the square structure on the roof. It's the one with the flat roof.
Rolling in.
Kaboom. You gonna get him? Enemy personnel on the road. Personnel right there. Yeah, good kill. I see lots of little pieces down there. Be careful, you almost killed our guys there. Okay, you got him. Get back on the other guys. You got him. Right there, tracking. Nail those guys. You're firing too close to the friendlies. I repeat, you're firing too close to the friendlies. Watch for those IR strobes. Clear to engage enemy personnel.
Recalibrate out on the sweep angle. Adjust elevation scan.
Nail those guys by the building.
Set scan range.
Enemy personnel on the road.
Gun ready!
Wildfire, we're approaching the LZ at the junkyard and leaving the vehicles.
Roger that, Bravo 6. Crew friendlies are leaving the vehicles and moving on foot towards the LZ. Do not fire on any personnel marked by a flashing strobe. Affirmative. Keep watching for those strobe lights. Those are friendlies.
Enemy personnel in the junkyard.
Crew, go ahead and smoke them. Man, these guys are going to town.
Shot! Hot damn! Gun ready! It's shot!
There's a guy by that car.
Whoa! Gun ready!
We got a runner here.
Cleared to engage all of those.
Tracking. Personnel right there. Yeah, take him out. Get that guy. Get that person. Nice. Guy running. More enemy personnel. Light him up.
Copy. Smoke them.
Good kill, good kill. Kaboom.
It's shot!
Tracking.
Gun ready!
Whoa! Get that guy. Okay, he's moving again. That's a hit.
Hot damn!
Clean up that signal.
Wildfire, we've reached the LZ, but we're taking fire from all sides. Request fire support on all sides of the LZ. Danger close.
Enemy personnel closing on the LZ from multiple sides. Danger close. Recommend you stick to the 25mm in the vicinity of the LZ.
Kaboom. Yeah, good kill. I see lots of little pieces down there. Crew, be advised. Friendly helicopters entering the area. Watch your fire. Copy.
VIP is secure and in custody. Good job, everyone. Roger that. Returning to base.
Continued throughout the night as U.S. Marines continued to push towards the capital city in pursuit of Khaled al-Assad. Sporadic fighting can be heard as the bulk of al-Assad's forces fall back towards the presidential palace.
Command, this is Lieutenant Vasquez. War Pig is en route. We're not missing this party.
belly at 1 o'clock! Second floor! Target acquired! Fire! Up! Gunner! 3-story building! 11 o'clock! Second floor! Target acquired! Fire! Up! 3-story building! 11:30! Second floor balcony! Target acquired! Fire! Bravo 6, we're moving up. Roger that. Gunner, 3-story building, 11 o'clock, second floor. Target acquired. Fire! Gunner, 3-story building at 12:30, second floor. Target acquired. Fire! Bravo 6, this is War Pig. We're clear to advance, over. Roger that. Move up and hold position at the bend. Over. Roger, move it. Up! Target acquired. Fire! Up! Target acquired. Fire!
Hold right here! Enemy tank coming up the road!
Warpig, Bravo 6, T-72 behind the building at your 10 o'clock. Can you engage? Over.
Roger that, Bravo 6. I got him on thermal. Switching to manual. Taking the shot.
They shit in Warpig. Lots of secondaries. Now let's get the hell out of here.
Coming through. Roger that, Bravo 6. this is Outlaw 2-5. The task force is moving in to capture Al-Assad. It's all hands on deck for this one, so get on board, over.
Roger that. Marines, we just got a fix on Al-Assad's position. Everyone on board, let's go!